Did you know that God not only wants to comfort you with His words, but He wants to give you insight into His workings and how things happen in the spiritual dimension around you? In 1907, God gave me some insight into agreement between people. And I thought I would pass this on to you to give you some insight into how agreeing with people and keeping peace with people is so important in every area of your life. In August of 2007, God gave me this insight into agreement between people. And this is what He said. He said, I promised you that where 2 or 3 agree on earth that a thing is established. He said, you have observed that happen many times in your life. Agreement multiplies the angels working in your behalf to bring into fruition what you have desired. I'm going to read that again to you because it's a powerful statement from God. He said, agreement multiplies the angels working in your behalf to bring into fruition what you desire. God said, be cautious that you do not agree with a negative aspect about a person or situation, because the same principle applies there. He said, if you agree with another person's negative assessment of a loved one, or of a situation, or of a circumstance, then you have given permission for the devil's forces to multiply in the life of a person, or a situation, or a circumstance. God said, in other words, the agreement of 2 people will multiply the work of spiritual forces, either firmly establishing bad elements in your life or graciously establishing good elements in your life, depending upon who you agree with. God said, extend grace to every person in every situation or circumstance, and agree that I will change it from bad to good, and then watch miracles appear. God said, in the presence of agreeing with positive aspects, all prayers are answered, just like I promised, said God. Oh, I'm hoping you'll be on the working edge of God's angel by only agreeing with positive things happening in your life and in the lives of your loved ones.